Welcome to the 3D Tiny House Designer Basics course. We'll be starting by understanding the key parts that make up the 3D Tiny House Designer, the dashboard, and the software. Then we'll get into the fun stuff, modifying your first basic tiny house. You will learn the interface of the 3D Tiny House Designer, including starting menu, the top bar, toolbar, 3D area, and property menus. Then I'll show you how to save and load your designs. You'll then learn how to best move around in 3D space. I will teach you the most important tools of the 3D Tiny House Designer by modifying a preset tiny house to get you ready to design your own tiny house from scratch or modify another preset tiny house. In the end, you will be able to use all of the important tools like the trailer tool, shell tool, roof tool, door, window and skylight tool, wall and loft tool, cabinetry and furniture tool, and the material tool. To finish the course, you will export your first PDF tiny house plans and understand what to do next with your new skills. Happy designing!